Here we are in the jungle. This is the jungle, the real jungle, and the animals are here as well. So these are the animals, and there's more animals over there and everywhere. They are real. Oh, look at that. Yes.
And the buffalo, or no, bison, American bison.
Bison.
And the elk.
The elk. And the foxes, the rabbits, and the rabbits.
White rabbits.
And the bear. And who's this guy over there? Is he this guy here? All right.
Question, is it maybe we can leave for a bit and come back in? We're going to change shoes.
This is me. And this is you. Look at your face. Huh? And there's the elk. There's another wolf.
Yogic, this is you, the brown one. Such a beautiful
This
animal.
one.
What's
This is me. And
he died of old age. He was 32.
32
The
years.
bison was 32.
I see. All right, let's
Where's
go.
your ticket?